Welcome back. You're here with us on NDTV Profit. Now, Om Metals Infraprojects is in focus because they've reported fourth quarter numbers. Their net profit came in at 7.07 crore rupees. The stock is up in trade. It's up about 3.5% at 49 odd rupees per share. Total income came in at 70 crores versus 50 crores in the same quarter a year ago. We have the management now joining us, Mr. S.K. Jain, CFO at Om Metals Infraprojects. Mr. Jain, thank you very much for joining us here on NDTV Profit. It's a pleasure to have you on the show today. Can you talk to us about the quarter, the key highlights? Numbers are looking much better on a yearly basis.
Yeah, the numbers are quite good. Though the numbers as compared to last year are a little bit dip, but the profits we have maintained at a very good pace. The overall profit is 31 crore post-tax and as against 29 crore last year.
And where?
And this quarter's profit is 7 crore as against 4.5 crore for the same quarter last year.
And what has led to this improvement in the profitability from 4 to 7?
We have done erection and commissioning part of major projects in this quarter. So that has improved the profitability of the project.
Okay. Where does the order book stand, sir, right now?
Approximately 900 crores.
That's a strong growth that we have seen. What's the kind of pipeline that you're working around with? What's the outlook ahead?
We are progressing in smart city projects very well in India. We are doing Jain smart city right now. And we are also focusing in other infra projects like pipeline, roads, civil infrastructure and dam construction also. We are much qualified in also civil space in India and we are poised to grow at faster space in coming time.
Right. You mentioned about smart cities. Can you share more details as to what kind of projects are you taking and, what kind of orders have you started getting?
We have already got one project of 330 crore from Infraproject Limited, Jain, for a small piece of land for developing a smart city development, road and lighting and sewage and WTP, etc. So with this, we have already started work and we will complete this within the next 2 to 3 years. This is in joint venture with SPML Infra, 50-50 joint venture with SPML Infra, and we are now qualified for more projects coming up in India. There are 100 projects likely to come in India in the next 2 to 3 years for smart city, and we are all very much aggressive for building all these projects.
Are you also planning to, expand the number of segments that you operate in right now?
Correct. We are also expanding in segments. We are also in civil space. We are into packaging space, and we are also bidding for some oil and gas tenders in India. We are already there in roads and some real estate verticals.
Roads particularly has seen a lot of activity, and the expectation is that in FY17 as well activity will continue. So what's the outlook? Some sort of target if you could give us for the top line as well as the bottom line?
Our March 17 top line, we are expecting a 30 to 40% growth from here. And March 18 will be much more than that because we are executing 900 crore projects in this year. Roughly there will be a 30 to 40% execution will be there in this year.
All right.
Whatever order book is in hand, and we are not talking about the order we are going to get like in roads and smart city and others. This may give a good jump in turnover in next 2 to 3 years.
We wish you good luck for that, Mr. Jain. Thank you very much for joining us here on NDTV Profit and sharing with us the details about the quarter gone by. So while there is one sector which is certainly doing well, that has been the road sector, and the industries, the companies related to that have performed well in this quarter. Those who have got a direct impact as far as the consumption in the market is concerned